Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save call log number to our contact on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, first of all, we can open our phone application on our Samsung Galaxy phone. And after we have this phone application opened, we can go to the recent option. Okay, and this is my call history, and for example I'm going to save this call log number to my contact. We just need to click on this number and we can click on add to contact since we want to add this phone number to our contact. And here we have two options. We can either select create new contact or update existing contact, and I'm gonna go with create new contact, and here we can name the contact. And after that, we just need to click on save. And the phone number will be saved to our contact. As you can see, this is the phone number that I have just saved to my contact. Alright guys, and that's how we can save call log number to our contact on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.